Hey everybody, welcome back. So I had a little bit of shrimp in my freezer, and I wanted to use it up, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. So I did some surfing, and I found you can do shrimp boil pouches, which is basically just shrimp, corn, and andouille sausage. And potatoes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this on the grill, and that's another good thing because I wanted to find a recipe to do on the grill. And this is what you're gonna need. Okay, I got a stick of butter. I got a couple cloves of garlic. I got a little bit more than a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Got some parsley. You need some Old Bay seasoning. Calls for a pound of shrimp. I only have like 9 ounces here, but you know, I'm gonna make do with what I got. You're gonna need some andouille sausage. This is 2 lengths cut up. This is 2 ears of corn cut into about an inch ring. All right, and then you're gonna need these baby red potatoes. And I got a pound here, and you're going to need lemon juice. You only need a couple tablespoons, but I squeezed a whole lemon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put these in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. So after that 1.5 minutes, we're gonna shake them up. We're gonna do another 1.5 minutes, and then we're gonna let them cool a little bit. And we're gonna cut them, and then we're gonna put the butter in. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna melt the butter with the herbs, but I went back and looked at my notes, and you're not supposed to. So you're supposed to put them in after, and this might be a little bit more than I need on the parsley. So, all right. Now I'm going to put this aside. And now we're going to make the pouches. You want to double. Always in a rush, and I always screw up. Forgot to add that was about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So now what you want to do is, originally I was going to make just 2 pouches, but I think I'm going to spread this out into 3 pouches. So you want to take some corn, you want to take some sausage, couple pieces of shrimp, potatoes. I was supposed to cut these up and I didn't. Couple potatoes. We're going to sprinkle with some Old Bay. And let's kind of get this like this. Now we're going to put that butter on. Let me put some of this butter on. And now we're going to seal it. These are going to go on the grill just like that. Okay. Sausage. Corn. Shrimp. What's good about doing it this way is, you know, if you have a barbecue and you know how many guests you're going to have, just make a pouch for everybody. All right. Now the Old Bay, you know, this is open to, you know, your preference. You know, if you like, depending on how you like it, depends on how much you put in. I use all twos. Okay. Looks like that one got a roll of garlic. Now when we put them on the grill, we're going to put them just like this. This goes on the grill and the seam's going to go up top. And let me go start up the grill. My grill's nice and hot. I'm gonna, it's actually too hot. So I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. And putting them down just like that. Okay, this has been going for quite a while. I'm pretty sure they're done. So we're just gonna take them off, put them on this tray. Okay. So I'm just gonna come in here and I'm gonna undo one and put it on a plate so I can get my thumbnail. Okay, so that's it. Looks really good, smells awesome, and it's my dinner. So I hope you like this. I hope you try it. It's a great little dish that you can do on the grill in the summertime. Anyway, that's it, and I'll see you again soon.